You might think that making a powerful plant fertilizer requires fancy chemicals or complicated processes, but actually, 2 simple kitchen ingredients can do the trick, and the results are incredible. All you need is about 2 liters of dairy milk. Don't worry if it's a bit old or has gone sour. In fact, slightly spoiled milk works really well because it's full of natural bacteria that plants love. To this, you add a few teaspoons of molasses. Molasses isn't just sweet, it's packed with minerals and sugars that feed beneficial microorganisms. Once you've added it, put the lid on and give it a really good shake so everything mixes together nicely. That's it. Your basic mixture is ready. But before using it, it's important to dilute it with water. Straight from the container, it's far too strong for plants, especially delicate seedlings. Diluting makes it gentle enough to nourish without harming roots, while still keeping all the beneficial properties intact. The first way to use this liquid is to pour it directly onto your plants. Seedlings in particular respond very well to it, because their tiny roots need nutrients that are easy to absorb. Milk contains calcium, proteins, amino acids, and other trace minerals, while molasses feeds the microbes in the soil, helping them break down nutrients and release them where plants can take them up. When applied regularly, this mixture strengthens stems, encourages strong root growth, and can even help prevent common issues like blossom end rot. Your plants start to look greener and healthier within just a few days. The soil itself benefits too. It becomes more alive with microbial activity, retains moisture better, and creates an overall environment that's healthier for your garden in the long term. Unlike chemical fertilizers, this mixture is safe for young plants and won't burn them, making it perfect for nurturing new seedlings and tender shoots. The second way to use this mixture is as a spray. Pour the diluted liquid into a spray bottle and mist it over the leaves of your plants. This foliar application offers some unique benefits. The proteins and enzymes in the milk help strengthen leaf tissue, making plants more resistant to fungal infections. Many gardeners have noticed that spraying milk can reduce problems like powdery mildew. Meanwhile, the sugars from molasses feed beneficial microbes that live on the leaf surface, giving them a competitive advantage over harmful pathogens. Even some pests find the environment less appealing. So while it's not a pesticide, it can act as a gentle deterrent. Regular spraying keeps plants strong, vibrant, and more resilient to disease and stress. Spraying also allows plants to absorb certain nutrients directly through their leaves. This is especially helpful during hot or dry weather when roots may struggle to take up everything they need from the soil. A foliar spray of this mixture gives plants a quick nutrient boost and helps maintain lush green leaves. Over time, it contributes to overall plant vigor, making them healthier and more productive. And as a bonus, the leaves often develop a natural shine that makes your garden look even more vibrant. What's amazing is how versatile this simple mixture is. Just milk and molasses can provide nutrition, support soil life, protect against disease, and boost plant health all at once. It's inexpensive, easy to make, and completely natural, fitting perfectly into any organic gardening approach. You can feed your seedlings directly with it, spray mature plants to protect them, or do both. And in every case, you'll see plants that grow stronger, healthier, and more resilient. For anyone who loves gardening but wants something simple, safe, and effective, this little kitchen concoction is a true game changer.